going to try out this little stove, this little tiny lightweight stove, the Outwell Appetizer 2-burner stove. It runs off a little gas canister like so. So let's get it out. I think Shell wants a brew. Is that right?
Definitely.
Oh, so these are the feet on. That clips on there by the looks of it. Okay. It's quite a nice little tiny unit, isn't it? Instructions, which I really should read. That is the connections. So where does this fix onto here? Ah, here we go. Can you see that? Make sure this goes on nice and tight. Okay, that's that fitted. I need the hob, so it looks like these slot into here, like so. Now I'm not sure if this one has ignition or not. We'll find out. Let's have a look, see. Does this have ignition? No, I don't think it's got ignition. It says should read the instructions. Hold a lighter on match near the burner. So we need to get the matches out. That's definitely letting out a gas. So now to get the matches. Catching a bit of wind here. Maybe we should put a windbreak up. Yeah, that's boiling. Well, certainly doing the job. In a thumbs up. So I think on here where we got it open, could done with setting up one of our tables. It's got a little windbreak on. Just lifting up, see how hot that is. It's okay underneath. Just turn that, sure that's off. Worked.
Yeah, done the job.
Good.
Cup of tea, so I'm happy. So
first thoughts of the appetizer stove?
Yeah, I really like it. It's quite streamlined, easy to clean. So yeah, no, I like it. Yeah, it's good.
Good, thumbs up.
Thumbs up. And it also makes a very nice cup of tea as well.
I'm sure it does. Right, so we're going to try and cook some toast on this now. This here is our trusty hob toaster. Had it for years. It might look like it, but it works really well. If I can get it locked in place, there we go. Simple as that. Lid goes on top and it goes on there. So let's check, is the gas on or open? Open. So we've been using this and it's been working really well, but I must say, I think a slight omission here is the ignition. I think even our little tiny gas cylinder single burner hob has a nice little ignition feature in it, which makes it so much easier. This, without its ignition, is a bit more hassle. So I think that's the only downside we can see to this at the moment. All right, I'm going to move that down a little bit. The other thing, and I don't know whether it's a continental thing, but it seems, I think what we used to is turning the knobs the other way to go up on our cooker and maybe a few other stoves we've got. On this one, the knobs go the opposite way, so often we turn the gas up, we've actually turned it off. So that's definitely user error. So that's smoking. Not a good sign for toast. At least out here it's not going to set any smoke alarm off. So this works quite well. It's just got a little heat diffuser on the bottom, holds the bread above there. Obviously you need to watch how hot it gets, just how well it toasts or how quick. You can certainly whack it up and get your toast done very quickly. But more chance that your toast is going to be well toasted. Turn it up for interested speed of the video. It's getting hot. There you go. So that'll not take too long really. Take too much gas. Well, that's it. I'm not going to have it too much toasted. Job done. So another little gadget, and as you might, if you've watched many videos, you know I like these sort of gadgets things. So another cooking item for camping, and that's this Hanmer Trivet. But yeah, I saw this. Let's see if I can open it one-handed. And again, when you're dealing with hot pans and you put them on your surface here, you want to protect the investment in a kitchen unit like this. We've had kitchen units like this last for years, so many camps. You want to protect them, and this little thing packs away so small. I'm going to put this in our I get kitchen unit, but there you go. Look at that. Simple. Put your hot pan on there, protect your surface, and then it just simply folds away. So if you like a little gadget like me, that's a handy little addition. God, I'm actually going out.